Ministry isn't Sunday, that's the equipping. Ministry is Monday through Saturday.
What I found is that my pulpit was the corporate arena for the most part. I was more effective in bringing Jesus and bringing the influence of Jesus to the lives of the people that I work with on a day-to-day basis.
People want to hear the encouragement that Jesus Christ brings to a person's life.
The E41 actually comes from Ephesians 4:1, which says, "Walk worthy in the vocation wherein you are called." I believe that the 21st century mission field is going to be the marketplace. And I believe the challenge for the church today is to take back the marketplace.